2,500 का कंसीलर लिया फिर भी अंडर आईज ग्रे एंड पैची हो गई। जो अभी आपने देखा, आई नो इट हैपेंस विद ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन दैट अंडर इन्फ्लुएंस में हम एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद तो लेते हैं बट वी एक्चुअली डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज देम। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई क्रिएटेड दिस सीरीज मेकअप हैक्स फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। इस सीरीज में आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू all the mistakes you make while doing your makeup and how you can avoid it. Basically, I'm going to tell you 3 mistakes which you are making while applying your concealer. So first mistake is not doing proper skin prep. अगर आपका अंडर आइज एरिया ड्राई है as you can see in the picture, तो आपका बेस कभी भी अच्छे से ब्लेंड नहीं होगा एंड आपका कंसीलर केकी पैची लगेगा. It's very important to do the skin prep very nicely. So what you need to do is apply any of your gel cream or your hydrating moisturizer, something which is very thick in the consistency. This is the first step you should do before applying any makeup product. Now the second mistake is not knowing your right shade. It's very simple. Basically, whenever you are applying a concealer, it's because you have pigmentation and darkness. So let me break it down to you simply. Now what you need to do is find your exact match, like this shade matches to my skin color. What you need to do when it comes to concealer, just find one shade which is very close to it but on the darker side, not on the lighter side. So in this case, I have this concealer which is one shade darker, so I will use this one for my under eyes just to hide my pigmentation. Okay, so don't use the exact shade, always use one shade darker. And then after that, of course, you can do a coating of this concealer just to balance it out, but firstly you have to apply one shade darker, not your exact shade. Now mistake number 3 जो कि लोग सबसे ज्यादा करते हैं is that don't even know how to apply the concealer. So basically, if you have dark circles, something like this, I mean very dark and very pigmented, then you cannot apply the concealer directly. What you need to do is, let me show you. So firstly, take the concealer on this kind of plate or maybe on the back of your hand and just mix it with the orange corrector. Yes, you have to mix it with the orange corrector to get the right shade, also to hide the pigmentation, because orange and peach cancel out the darkness or grayness which you have under your eyes. Basically, if you have the dark circles which is very similar to mine, then you can just use one shade darker concealer. But if you have more pigmentation and more dark circles, then you have to go for this method, which is mixing orange corrector in your concealer and then applying it. It's gonna change your makeup game. Just follow these methods and these concealers won't trouble you, trust me. तो कसूर महंगे या सस्ते कंसीलर का नहीं है, कसूर है हमारी wrong application and wrong methods का. So in my upcoming episodes, I am going to tell you a lot about makeup and makeup hacks, and I am going to teach you everything from scratch. So just follow me and stay tuned, and of course save this reel for your future glam. Bye.